Yan ang bagong update ni Supercell. So, ano-ano ba yung mga update niya dito is, first is yung new building levels. Second is yung Neopet nila, yung Greedy Raven. Then next is yung Gold Pass adjustment. Then yung last is yung new hero, yung Duke. So as of now, yun lang yung pinaka main update nila, yung apat na yan. So tingnan natin nga. So February update. So manani siya ang Dragon Duke. Then ang Gold Pass rework and Prospector yung adjustment nila. Then new Town Hall 18 content? Ba? Yan na. Yung new levels. Yung Gigabombs, Air-Seeking Mines, Mortar, Inferno Tower level, Tisla. Spell Tower will be upgrading to level 4. So, dito na yung ma-unlock yung Earthquake spell. So, which is will be upgraded to level 8. Hog Rider also to level 15 para mag Super Hog Rider. Just like Lava Hunt to us. Electric Title level 5. Dami palang level nito. So, may additional silang 75 more walls to level 19. So, may available na 75 wall na pwede to upgrade to level 19. So, next is yung Greedy Raven. So, ito yung bagong pet. So, which is long range flying attacker. So, more on, i-prioritize niya din dito yung mga resources na target. Like, then, so, sa rank mode changes, nasa sila'y gamay pagbabago. Mayroon siyang konting pagbabago. Yung anti-spam protection added, rank battles now follow the same rules as regular attacks. You must finish a battle before starting a new one. So, yun. Fix incorrect demotion warning that appeared for some players. So, maraming nagkaganito yung demotion. So, di siya yung hindi tama. Then, ito na yun, no? Oh, Pika. So, ito na yun. Updated promotion, demotion. Ito na yun. So, check nyo lang dito, guys, kung may gusto kayong malaman. Meron naman eh. So, other changes or bug fixes. So, the unbreakable achievement now requires 5,000 defenses instead of 500 defenses instead of 5,000 defenses. Oh, ito. NCWL now support 5v5 wars. So, maganda. Then, poison spell effect. Oh yeah, ito yung hinihintay ko, yung poison spell. Magiging may epekto na siya sa Guardians daily. Pero portion, dami pa dito. Dito lang kayo manood, guys. Thank you.